Hello, everyone. Well, today's not going to be as wet of a day as yesterday was in the region. Yesterday, we saw anywhere from half an inch to an inch and a half of rain. Today, that's not going to happen. The activity is going to be lighter. There are going to be more breaks in the activity, but at some point, you're probably going to encounter a rain shower and perhaps even a snow shower. It tells you that's going to be a pretty cold day as well. So let's start at 8 a.m. this morning, and it's not going to be super wet for that morning commute, but there is the chance of showers. If you stay in the region, it's less likely that you're going to encounter rain. A little bit better chance as you go towards Chicago. And yes, as you go towards Chicago, there is going to be a rain-snow line that you may encounter. So it'll be rain and suddenly could change over to snow. That is a possibility if you'll be making the drive into Chicago this morning. That said, I think the best chance of catching a shower, and by the time we get to lunchtime, it could be a snow shower. Notice the rain-snow line now over the region. I think early afternoon is when the activity is going to relatively peak today, but obviously there's still some gaps in the activity. So not a repeat of what we saw yesterday. We had all that steady rain for a prolonged amount of time. That's not going to happen today. I will say, as far as during the day, who's most likely to see some snow, that's going to be to the north and east. So like LaPorte County, if you're in Michigan City, LaPorte, you have a better chance of seeing snow during the afternoon hours versus places to the south and west, like Kenton, Rensselaer, just a little bit warmer, so more likely that it stays all rain. But everybody has a chance of catching a snow shower day. Just I think there might be a little bit longer period of snow, very light snow, to the north and east versus the south and west. Going to be breezy throughout the day, gusts around 25 miles per hour, and notice that our high temperatures are in the upper 30s and low 40s. Not where we want to be. 4 o'clock, not as much activity as in the early afternoon around lunchtime, but still a chance for a rain-snow mix. Jump ahead to the evening hours, and it almost looks like we're done with the activity, right? Not quite. It looks like one more little wave of moisture is going to work over us. And by the time this one arrives, midnight, finally our temperature is all in the mid-30s, and so this is cold enough for all snow. Still no heavy snow. So if you're wondering, as far as snow totals, we're not talking about much. If you're in LaPorte County, it could be around a half an inch, again, where it probably will be snow a little bit longer. Everyone else, though, it's going to be less than a half an inch. Some might even miss out on measurable snow or just a dusting. So we're not talking about much at all. So when do we finally dry out? I think around 4 a.m. So very late tonight, just in time for the Friday morning commute to be dry. So we dry out. Now, can we warm up? Unfortunately, no. Check out tomorrow's high temperature. Only a couple degrees warmer than today. 43. We should be in the mid-50s this time of year. At least it's going to be a mostly sunny day, but still going to be breezy. Still a wind chill factor. Gusts around 20 miles per hour.